Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom cover access door. Then unscrew battery. Now remove and unplug battery. Next, unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Now unplug antenna cables and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove LCD cable bracket. Now unplug LCD cable. Next, unplug camera cable. Then fully open the screen and lay the laptop face down. Now unscrew and remove LCD display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.